Bimundi promotes global commerce between small businesses, guaranteeing that two small businesses from different countries affiliated to their corresponding platforms will work in the same way, publicizing, negotiating, and formalizing their orders with the same standards and efficiency. Since they share the same cyber enterprise expert system. The Bimundi expert system contains three groups of tools. B-Standard, the business standard that correctly classifies the platform users, their companies, and the merchandise negotiated. B-Standard guarantees the security of your transactions. B-Tools are the tools that organize the information needed for an affiliate company to sell with efficiency, from a database of markets and clients to tools that help plan your work. Beacon is the first messenger 100% designed for work. It is a suite of communication applications that registers all the communication transmitted or received by your company. These three groups of tools make Bimundi the most complete and integrated expert system of cyber enterprise, increasing the productivity of your commercial work and the security and competition of your sales in any market and any language.